Hi guys, I'm here with celebrity makeup artist Vincent Oquendo, and he's going to show us how to get the amazing cat eye look of Olivia Culpo.
This was for the Country Music Awards, and I mean, who doesn't love a cat eye? What I love about this eye is I just did the shape in 2 seconds. I took the Kajal InkArtist in the brown color, chin down, and look forward. And what I did is I went from the end of her eye, and I drew a little triangle. I cut it into her crease, filled it in, and then while she was looking forward, I went and I traced right along the crease. And then I went right along her lash line. And now that you've gotten your shape with your brown, you can take your black and you do little dots. And now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna buff out the shape. There you go. It's pretty easy, actually. Here's how you know you've done a good job. You get a straight flat brush. You can use a flat liner brush, or you can just take your cotton bud. You look, when you go chin down and you look forward into the mirror, from the end of your waterline, you should be able to wipe and it be a straight line. I'm gonna take the Ordo in Solar, and I'm gonna go right on the ball of the lid and just create a little highlight. Now we gotta match them. From the end of the eye, we're gonna go straight up, and then we're gonna cut the crease. So I'm gonna use a non-oily makeup remover. I can't stress the fact that you want a non-oily, and we're gonna cut the top of the liner off. And then look up at the ceiling. We're gonna go underneath and make sure it lines up with the lower water line. So now we're gonna go in with that black color. Remember, we're going up, and then we're carving back in, and we're filling in that triangle. We're gonna take our flat liner brush. I know you're curious about lipstick. One thing that I like to keep in mind whenever I'm doing like a bolder eye like this, I always sort of go paler with the lips. So I'm using the Modern Matte Powder lipstick in Whisper. Blend your lips. And I'm gonna add a little bit of warmth to your cheeks. All right, and there we have it.